Hey, I'm going to do a video on, okay, well, most of you will recognize this as a third generation Camaro front bumper cover because this is probably where I'm going to post it, but I guess this will end up on YouTube as well. So a lot of bumper covers in the 80s were made out of polyurethane. Polyurethane does not melt. So I tried to buy one of those plastic welders where, you know, it's got the little squiggly, you see it on Facebook all the time, the little squiggly hot elements, and just basically staples it together. It doesn't work because polyurethane doesn't melt like ABS plastic does. Okay, worked great on this dashboard. So a little research and I came up with this company called Urethane Supply Company. I think they've changed their name now to PolyVance. Watched a few of their videos. I was a little bit skeptical. Their units sell for $250 plus. I got this used one on eBay for a little less than that. I put it to the test. Bumper cover I was going to throw away, but I kept it just so that I could test this kit. And this had been backed into, so it had quite a bit of damage. So you can see there was a tear there, 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 and there. Let's take a closer look. Okay. It was torn in that J shape in that one, that little straight line there, and that U shape there, and then this was the really bad one over here. Most guys would have said throw this thing away. Anyway, so I bought this to test it. By the way, you can use this plastic repair kit for all kinds of other things. So my next project here is going to be to repair the dash pad in my third generation Camaro. Same company. The difference is the material they give you. So this is the polyurethane glue material, and then this is what we'll use to repair the dashboard. And then there's, depending on the type of plastic, they give you a whole bunch of different kinds of plastic. But this clear one is polyurethane. And basically what you do is you feed the little polyurethane rod through this thing, it melts it, and then you've got this little shoe that you can kind of spread it around and affect the repair. Anyway, there's a video online about how to do this. I'm not going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you a little bit about my results. They say it's as strong or stronger than the original material, and they're absolutely right. I mean, I can't, by the way, sanding this stuff is not easy. They say to sand it with a dual action orbital sander. You definitely need to do that. Do not try to do it with a back and forth block sander, because the stuff's going to roll up like a booger between your fingers. You have to use a DA sander at the highest speed, because if you do it at the lowest speed, it will take forever. So I still have to sand this some more, and I already sanded each one of these probably for 5 minutes. But my point here is, and this one isn't completely sanded, it's a tough spot to sand. And the other thing is, you're going to need to get some flexible body filler and finish this off and skim coat it with some flexible body filler. But point of this video is, this stuff is every bit as strong as they say it is. And it works great. So if you've got a damaged polyurethane bumper cover, can't find a replacement, or you're just kind of a do-it-yourselfer, get yourself one of these kits. I would think for what I paid for that kit and what I'm probably going to end up selling this thing, I'll make money on it. And so this will be my kit to use in the future. Until I live underneath the airport landing and takeoff area. But anyway, works great. Can't say enough about this PolyVance or Urethane Supply Company welding device. Can't wait to see what other plastics I can weld with it.